All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this problem here. This is a simple interest problem. So the simple interest formula will be used every time you all do an exam. You will be given your STAR Grade 7 mathematics reference materials. So here is the simple interest formula. Simple interest. All right, this is so much fun. This is really interesting. So this formula here, I, which is the interest that we're looking for, equals to PRT, which is the principal multiplied by the rate times the time. And I'm going to show you all, using our rules strategies, how we're supposed to label and annotate what is our principal, what is our rate, and what is our time. All right? And then how we calculate for the interest. This is really interesting. This is really fun stuff. All right, so as per usual, we write down our rules. All right? So we'll read. Gustavo and his sister have both been saving money to help pay for college. Gustavo deposited $650 at a local bank 2 years ago, earning a simple interest rate of 5% paid upon withdrawal. Which statement best describes how much interest Gustavo earned after 2 years? All right. Gustavo earned $10 in interest. Gustavo earned $26 in interest. Gustavo earned $52 in interest. Gustavo earned $676 in interest. All right, so this is going to be a lot of fun. So after we read the question and the options, we circle the R. Now, we're going to underline the question. How much interest Gustavo earned after 2 years? Okay, good. So this is a good process that this person made here. So they underlined the question for us. Now we're going to label. Okay, so label means that we're going to box all key terms and circle all numbers. So 5%. Okay, 650. Circle that. 2 years ago. We'll circle that. All right, now let's box some key terms. I guess we can have this underlined as well, which is the best. Simple interest. Okay, box that. He deposited. Okay. Deposited is key information, keyword. Upon withdrawal. Okay, so local bank. All right, this is so much fun. Now we're gonna get to our label. All right, so now we're labeling. Simple interest. So as I showed you all the formula earlier, I equals to P RT. Now we're going to annotate the 5%. This is how you write 5% as a decimal, 0.05. And this equals our rate, R. Now the T, this is so much fun because it's just like a scavenger hunt, class. So this is going to be R2 for the number of years. This equals T, which is our time in years. Okay, it's also up here as well, 2 years ago. So this is T, which equals years. Now, whenever you all see variables placed next to each other, this also means multiplication. So we're multiplying the principal by the rate by the time. So it's going to be $650, which is our principal. P, that's a P, $650, which equals $650, okay? T in years equals 2 years. 0.05% is equal to our rate. Now we're going to find our interest, okay? So she has 650, she has 0.05, okay, that's decent. So her process is getting stronger, but now let's put everything together. So we have to do 650 multiplied by 0.05 times 2. So let's multiply 650 by 0.05. 650 times 0.05 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5, 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. 0. In the hundreds place, now we're going to move over to the tens place. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. So we're going to have 3 more zeros. Add these up. 3250. Now, how many digits do we have to the right of the decimal place? All right, 1, 2. 2 digits. That means we're going to move our decimal to the left. 1, 2. All right. So we have $32.50. All right. But we're not quite done yet. So 650 multiplied by 0.05. We have to multiply this by the number of years, which is 2 years, which is going to be $32.50 multiplied by 2, the amount of time in years. 0, 0, carry the 1, because 2 times 5 is 10, so 0, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. So this answer here is $65. So there's no answer choice saying $65. So I'll write in E. $65. All right, answer choice E, $65. So none of these other answers were correct. The answer that I got here is $65. Okay, so we evaluated and we selected the correct answer. Since that answer is not here, I'll add that answer to our Google form, and then people looking at this video will know that the answer is actually $65. So I'm very sorry this was a mistake, that there was no answer choice here for $65. When I made these, I'll make sure that I have the correct answer choices available for you all. But this is still not accurate. Not accurate. So not accurate. And then a weak concept. All right. Thank y'all for watching. I hope that this helps a bit. Let me zoom out a little bit so y'all can see a little bit better.